Hello, I'm Dr. Mark Roycroft, Head of the Institute of Policing Studies here at the University of West London. Deciding what you want to study and where can be a scary decision, so I wanted to share why I think UWL would be a great choice for your future. At UWL, you'll be taught by experienced lecturers who have worked in your chosen industry and have links with professionals across the world. Our courses are licensed by the College of Policing and are built with your career in mind. We have strong relationships with the Met Police, and you'll have the option to take part in observations and joint workshops to help you develop skills to use in your professional career. Our international work with the British Council means you'll be able to interact with policing students from several countries across the world, widening your understanding and providing development opportunities. Most importantly, you'll be part of a vibrant and diverse student community with access to brilliant support services. Join us at an open day to see for yourself what UWL has to offer and find out more about why our students love UWL. If you have any questions or just want some advice, just ask. We're here to help.